Hi friend, welcome to Tech Solution Path channel. Today I do have plan to show you how to install Solaris 10 over virtual machine 11. So let's go ahead and to know how to install Solaris 10 step by step. First we have to create an virtual machine. So let's click a new virtual machine, click on custom and then click on next. Then here you need to select workstation 11 because of this is VMware 11 version, and then click on next. Then click I will install the operating system later on ratio version, and then click on next. Then here you have to select Solaris, and then here you have to select Solaris 64 or 32. It depends on you. If you don't have 32-bit operating system, so you can go ahead by clicking on Solaris 10. If you do have Solaris 10 64-bit operating system, so you have to select Solaris 10 64-bit and then click on next. Then give here the virtual name, machine name. So I can give here IBM 1 and then click on browse button. I want to store this virtual machine in my different drive. I mean, suppose I want to store in the E drive, I can go for E and then click on make new folder. I can give the folder name the same. If I want to give any name, you can give. I give an IBM 1 and then click on OK. Why I did not give C drive? If you give C drive, then all those things it will store in the C drive. Then later part your system booting performance may slow. So if you go for the different drive, that will be safe inside and good. So anyway, I give an E drive this virtual machine path and then click on next. I am giving only one on processor here. Then give next. So here we can give a RAM size 1024. My plan is to give only 1 GB, so give 1024 MB. Here click use network address translate NAT and then click on next. Here select LSI logic, click next. SCSI next. Create new virtual disk next. Click store virtual disk as a single file. Then if I want to give the space, I can give here space. Here I given store virtual disk as a single file. Hope you guys can remember. Just some step back, I given the IBM 1 machine path is E drive. It means if I'll give here split virtual disk into multiple files, when we will create successfully the virtual machine, it will create 10 more files. So 10 more file it will store in the E drive itself and here and there. So that is not safe and set, and that is not good looks. So if we'll click on store virtual disk as a single file, in all those files it will store in IBM 1 folder, which I has been created already just few minutes back. So and then this is the virtual disk, I mean that virtual machine space, total space, disk space. So I'm giving here 80 GB. Then click on next. Click next. Click finish. Now my machine successfully created. Now what we need to give? We need to give here the ISO image path. Click on edit virtual machine setting and then click on CD DVD ID. Then click on use ISO image file and then click on browse. Here click all files star.star. It will show everything wherever my ISO file is there. My ISO file here I store in the software folder. Double click on software folder, then click on Solaris ISO. This is my Solaris 10. Then this is my ISO image. Select by ISO image, click on open and then click on OK. So now I given the successful path where my ISO image belongs to. Now we can power on the machine. So click on power on the machine. It will take some time because I'm pushing the now. So once we power on the virtual machine, it will ask us to wait 60 seconds. So not required to wait 60 seconds. Obviously auto select, it will come first one. So this one, hope you are able to see, and then click on, just hit enter key. My system is a bit slow, so it's not taking. No issues, we can wait. Now it will run. Let me pause the video. Now here we have to press 1, then it will find which loan I do have. I mean we do have, obviously it will find the first one, then it will take some time. It will check everything one by one. Now it's checking attempting to configure interface E10000G0. E10000G0 is nothing but the NAT in Solaris 10. Now it's configuring the NAT. It will take some more time, so let's pause the video. Now yeah, it's done. And also setting up Java is, it's saying please wait using local console. Okay, extracting Windows system, please wait. Why it's showing extracting Windows system, please wait? In the sense we can it's extracting the things like also we can perform by GUI mode. That is what it's saying, Windows system. It's extracting that one over the RAM. Okay, it may take some more time. Yeah, it will take some more time. So let's pause the video. Yeah, now it's come to the next step. What next step is saying here, we need to select US English. So press F1 F2. F1 F2, press enter key. Then here one small window will occur top of the left corner. We just need to click here, hit enter key. Then we have to type here 0 is nothing but English. Then hit enter key. Yeah, now we need to start the installation steps. Click on next. Here networked, click on networked. Then next. Yeah, we have to give DHCP. Click on next. 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 Here I give a next because I don't know what we are going to, I mean which application we are going to perform on over this server. We later part we can do that. If later part we are going to perform this system as NIS server, we can perform later part. If we want to perform on over this system DNS server, we can perform LDAP like that, NIS place, whatever it we can perform. But as of now we don't have any scenario to perform. So just we are just knowing how to install Solaris 10 OS on over the VirtualBox. This is what. So click on none and then click next. Later part we manually, as per our requirement, we can go ahead and we can install the as per the mechanism, which mechanism we are going to perform on that particular server. So anyway, click on next, then again next. Here we have to click Asia, then go down, select India, click next. Here time automatic it will take, never worry about it. Click next. Here we have to give password. Both of the passwords should be matched. Here click yes, next, then confirm. This is the information whatever we given. DHCP given yes, it's showing yes. IPv6 I did not give yes, so it's showing no. Name service, which name service I'm going to perform on this particular machine, I did not give anything, I just click no, so it's showing no. Like that, as for that Asia Calcutta the time zone, remote service enabled, whatever thing we given, it's showing all those things. Let's confirm. It will take some more time. Have patience. It will take some more time, so I'm pushing the video. Yeah, now it's done. So now click on Solaris installation step by step. Click on next. Here reboot automatically after software installation, yes. Reboot is required after software installation, click yes. Here eject additional CD DVDs automatically after software installation, yes. We have after software installation, if you'll put any CD DVD kind of things, all those things it will detect. So we need to give yes, and then click on next, then click OK. Why it's asking like that? From where we are taking the ISO image? Yeah, obviously that's true. We are taking ISO image by CD DVD. It means that ISO image I stored it from E drive, right? So click on CD DVD and then click on next. Now click on accept, next. Then obviously we need to go for the custom installation. Click on next. Here click on Asia and then go for Hindi option and then click on next button, then select English ratio button and then click on next button. Here none, not required to do anything else. Click on next button. It will take a few more seconds and then click on entire group, it automatically will come, no need to bother about it, and then click on next button, then click again next, next, next. Here we need to click on modify. My total launch space is 80 GB we have given, correct? So here I want to give 20 GB of root space, so approximately 20,000. Here swap we can give double of RAM, so RAM I given 1 GB 1024, right? Here I can give 2048, double of that swap we can give. Here I want to give /USR 10 GB, so approximately give 10,000. Here export home I want to give only 25,000, approximately 25,000. So remaining 24,838 MB, almost around 24 GB, it's free. Remaining thing, whatever thing I want to perform on over that, also I can perform. Anyway, this 4 partition is mandatory when we are installing Solaris OS. Okay, hope you understood. Then click on next and then click on OK. Now here it's showing that picture, whatever I given, all those things is showing this much MB. So now click on next and then click on install. It will take some more time, so I am pushing the video. Hi friends, it's completed 100%, and then now it's checking all those packages as well, description, services. We just need to wait. On screen it's showing C. total 177 services need to be run on current situation. So it's going to reach that. Now it's over. It will take few more minutes. Okay. Gigabyte file system configuration done. Now it's creating RSA, public and private host key, as well as DSA, public and private host key. Now it's using unknown console login. So we suppose not to log in here because we installed by graphical user mode interface. So we have to wait few more minutes. It will allow us to log in by graphical user interface. So once it shows us to log in the system by graphical user interface, we can go ahead and log in by the root user. So friends, just wait for some time. It will take few more minutes, so let me pause the video. Yeah, now it's done. It's asking to log in the system, so let's log in the system by root user. So here we need to click CDE, is nothing but common desktop environment. Just click on OK. Then here we need to click do not show this message again. If you want to read, you can read it. Not required to read this. Not usable. So this is our home screen. It will pop up these two more windows. No need to worry about it. Just close these two windows. Okay. Right click, tools, terminal. Now we can set this terminal as for our desktop, so that always it will not ask to resize and all, and it will not trouble us. So make it size this much and come down, click on exit button. Then you have to click on OK button. Then it will execute from kernel. Then again it will ask for the login. So we have to log in by root. Yeah. Now we successful install the Solaris 10 OS on our the VMware. Thank you so much friends. Please like, share and subscribe my channel so that I can bring in front of you new things and new configuration things, as well as installation and troubleshoot part. Thank you so much. Have a good day.